So pronoun is, yes, Jethro, can you please read the first sentence?
A type of pronoun that is used to replace a specific noun.
Yes, so pronoun is usually referring to people or the things around us so that the sentence are smoother and less repetitive. So I have here an example. I will read first. Anna has a dog. She loves her dog. Anna plays with her dog. So as you can notice, Anna is our subject for this example. So for the second sentence, the underlined word is she. So the she stands for Anna. As what I mentioned earlier, it is our subject and a feminine singular. And for the third sentence is the underlined word is her. So her is also refers to Anna, of course, because Anna is our subject. But it is a possessive form showing the ownership of a dog.
Okay, so now I have here a provided worksheet. So inside your worksheet, we have here the 3 questions. So the number 1 question is, Juan is my friend, and we have here a blank space and is kind. So your task is you have to complete the given sentences with the correct pronouns. So for example, Juan is my friend. In the blank, you will use a pronoun word that refers to Juan. So instead of repeating the name of Juan, you will write the personal pronoun form in the second sentences. So I will give you 3 minutes to complete your activity with your pair. So 3 minutes is done. I want you to pass all your papers in front, and I will be the one who will check your activity. So now, do you have any questions and clarifications about your previous activity?
No, teacher.
Okay, very good. So with that, we will proceed with our next activity. So I will group you into 4 groups, and your groups will write 3 sentences about your family or friends with the use of the pronouns. So, for example, you will write a sentences about your mother. So, for the first sentence, you will write the name of your mother, and for the second and third sentences, you will now use the personal pronouns that also refers to your mother as the main subject. So I will give you 5 minutes to finish your group activity. 5 minutes starts now.
Done, teacher.
Now that you are done with your sentences, I want you to share aloud here in front of the class your answers. So let's start with the group 1. Okay, very good. All the groups accomplished their task perfectly and correctly. So let us give ourselves a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, do you have any other questions, clarifications about your activity? About the constructing of sentences using the personal pronoun? Okay, very good. So you don't have any other questions or clarifications about the personal pronouns. So with that, we will now have another activity. But now, you will work individually. So in your clean sheet of papers, you will write 5 sentences about yourself and your friends using pronouns. So in your sentences, instead of repeat your friend's name, you will Okay, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now, please pass your papers in front and I will be the one who will check your activity. Now, I will give the floor to Teacher Dana to continue our discussion.
Again, class, the pronouns are the words that replace nouns to make sentences easier to read and conversation smoother. So if we keep repeating the same name, the sentence sounds awkward and heavy. So the pronoun help us to avoid the repetition. So for instance, instead of saying always Maria, name Maria. So here in our example, Maria is my friend. Maria likes to sing. Maria is kind. So the sentence sounds very awkward. Why? Is it because the name Maria is always repeated or it is repeating. So instead of using name Maria, just use she. Like for example, Maria is my friend. She likes to sing. She is kind. So by that, using a personal pronoun, the sentence will not look or sound awkward.
Do you have any question, clarification? Okay, very good. So now we're going to proceed on our next or another activity. So in this activity, you are going to fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. So Maria is my sister. Blank helped me study. Number 2, my father and I cook dinner. Blank prepare food together. Number 3, the books are on the table. Blank are new. So in the blank, you're going to put your answer here. So I will give you 3 minutes to answer. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So can you please pass your papers in the front? Okay. Okay, so you already know what is pronoun or what is personal pronoun. Now I will going to ask you and I will going to check if it is correct or not or wrong. So can you please give me a sentence using I?
Teacher, me.
Okay, Jeffrey, can you please stand?
I am beautiful.
Okay, very good, Jeffrey. How about we?
Teacher,
Dana?
we are happy.
Okay, very good. So you already know what is pronouns. So can you give 5 claps for your classmate? Do you have any question?
None, teacher.
Okay, so now, what is pronoun again, class?
Teacher.
Okay, Jadril.
Teacher, pronouns are the words that is used to replace the name of the main subject.
Okay, exactly. Very good, Jadril. Can you please give 5 claps for Jadril? Okay, so I will give you 3 minutes to make our activity. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you please pass it in the front? Okay. Okay, so I will be the one to check your paper. So, as I said earlier, that you already know, you already learned what is pronoun. So, we have a pronoun plan at home, which is our assignment. So, you are going to write 5 sentences about your family members or object using correct pronouns. Again, you are going to write 5 sentences about your family members or object using correct pronouns. So are we clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we're going to pass it tomorrow, class, huh?
Yes, teacher.